Okay, today we're going to try the Dr. Pepper. So this is a regular Dr. Pepper. This is a 1 liter. So this has been sitting on the shelf. This hasn't been put in the fridge, pre-cooling. So first we're just going to pour this into the machine. And then we'll find a setting for it. So what we will do is, if it's not thick enough, I'm going to turn up the thickness setting on it. Okay, let's put the machine on. So it's ready to go on the soft drink setting, which is minus 2.1 Celsius. And if that doesn't turn out quite good, I'll turn it up one little notch to 2.2. Just, to see if we can see a difference. But we'll try it there first. And we'll check it in 10 minutes and then another 10 minutes. So let's get this started. Okay, it's been 10 minutes, so now it's dropped down to 0.5, 0.4, 0.3, 0.2. So we'll check back in another 10 minutes. And as you can see, it's not really doing a whole bunch of freezing yet. Okay, this is after 20 minutes. So now it's at minus 1.9. So the setting for the soft drink was minus 2.1. So it's getting close. It doesn't look too bad, but we'll see what it looks like. And then we'll turn the thickness up one more setting after that and see what that looks like also. So we're just trying to see how well this freezes. Again, this is a preset. This is something that is different for everyone, because everybody likes a different thickness or consistency of this drink or whatever drink you're making. So later, you might want to just go into the custom settings and figure out, as you make several, what you like the best. But the machine will definitely freeze. So I'm going to show you that today. So there's no worry that, your drinks are going to come out runny all the time. So we'll check back in a few minutes here. Okay, the machine beeped, so we're going to take a pour here and see what this looks like. So at first it always comes out a little bit watery. It's not too bad. But I'm going to pour this back in. Just let it melt for a little bit, and I'm going to turn the thickness up. But I'd be perfectly happy with this. So you'd have one more setting to go up to minus 2.2. Okay, I poured it back in. And now I set it for the highest thickness. So it's set on the plus all the way up. So minus 2.2. So this would be the max setting thickness for the soft drink setting. And if this isn't thick enough, we're going to go to the custom setting and increase this. So we'll just give this some time for it to beep at the minus 2.2, and we'll pour it and see what that looks like. Okay, it just beeped for the minus 2.2. So this is the thickness hold the setting on the soft drink setting. So we're going to pour this now and see what this looks like. And then we're going to pour it back and we're going to go even colder. I think this is getting really close right now. Let's just try pouring the second one. So remember, this is, 1,000 milliliters, so 1 liter, which is great for 2 people. Okay, so let's, it's a little watery, but it's, I'd be happy with this, but let's get it thicker. So I'll pour this back in, and we'll check back, and we'll try another setting. Okay, so I have everything poured back in there, so we still have the 1,000 milliliters that we started with. So now I've went into the custom setting, and I put minus 2.6. So on the soft drink preset, max was minus 2.2 Celsius. So let's just try minus 2.6 and see how well that freezes. Now again, this is just trial and error till you find a consistency that you like for your drinks. And for every drink that you use, they're all going to be different. So you have to mark down and remember kind of what your settings are. Or if there's a general one that you use all the time, it'll just remember your last custom preset. So let's get this started. And we'll see how well that freezes at minus 2.6 and give it a pour. Okay, I've decided to kind of stop it here at the minus 2.4 because it's really starting to freeze up hard in there now. And, it might not be able to pour that easy. So I'm going to try and give it a pour, and let's just see how it comes out. So minus 2.4. This is way thicker than it was at the minus 2.2. So it's kind of just coming out now. We're not trying to make ice cream here, but this is like your gas station, 7-Eleven, Slurpee consistency. Just give this a stir. Wow, excellent. Again, it's a learning process of what you like, but this will definitely freeze it colder than a watery drink. Honest truth, I got this machine first about a week before the Ninja, and I tried this a few times, and I never bothered to open the Ninja, and I returned it after waiting for the pre-order for so many months. This thing is just fine, and I saved myself $150. Now what I really like about this machine is the minimum fill line is less than the Ninja. The max isn't as much, but there's only 2 people that use this, and a lot of times I'm just I'm making this for myself, so I don't want to put in extra and just waste it. Of course, you could put it on later again if you wanted, and just leave the liquid in there as it melts. But I like the size of this machine, of the holder. So for me, it's just right. Now, there still is a little bit of water in there, but it's just fine. And the thing is, I've had this so thick before that it'll all kind of cake up around here, and it'll hardly pour out. You have to wait a while. So, we're hitting minus 2.3 now, but we've taken most of it out. So I would say for, the pops, this would be a good setting, about minus 2.4. So anyway, I hope that helps you in your decision on buying this. And, what's the worst thing that can happen? If you don't like it, you can always return it if you buy it locally. But I don't see a reason to return this. Save yourself some money and buy this over the Ninja. Like I said, I returned my Ninja. I didn't even bother opening the box. This is perfectly fine to me. Well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.